The Fox News decision desk can now officially project that Donald Trump will become the 47th president of the United States.
With Donald Trump back in the White House, many are speculating about how his leadership might impact the future of cryptocurrency. Could Trump's presidency transform America into the ultimate crypto-friendly nation? In today's video, we'll explore why Trump's return to office could be a game-changer for the crypto industry, examining his pro-crypto stance, expected regulatory reforms, potential market growth, and much more.
In just 15 years, Bitcoin has gone from merely an idea posted anonymously on an internet message board to being the 9th most valuable asset anywhere in the world. Can you believe that? Is that right?
Trump's support for cryptocurrency isn't new, and it goes beyond simple campaign promises. In his recent rallies, Trump has been clear about his goal to make America the crypto capital of the planet. This idea aligns with Trump's broader economic policies, which favor innovation, competition, and deregulation. Previous administrations have been cautious or even wary of digital assets, viewing them as speculative or risky. But Trump seems to view crypto differently, as a means to support a new financial future and strengthen the economy. By aligning himself with the values of economic freedom and decentralization, Trump is tapping into the core principles of the cryptocurrency community. For crypto enthusiasts, this is encouraging, suggesting that the administration won't treat digital assets with the same skepticism seen in the past.
I'm thrilled to be here in Nashville to become the first American president ever to address a Bitcoin event anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world.
Instead, we could see an approach where crypto is welcomed, supported, and nurtured as an asset class and technological innovation. The regulatory environment has been one of the biggest challenges for cryptocurrency in the United States. In recent years, we've seen strict rules on exchanges, tighter requirements on transparency, and frequent investigations into crypto companies. Trump, however, has criticized these regulatory barriers, arguing that they stifle innovation and limit growth in a sector with so much potential. To address this, he's proposed appointing officials who understand the benefits of crypto and are open to creating more supportive policies. Under Trump's leadership, we might see efforts to streamline regulations, making it easier for new and established crypto businesses to operate without fear of sudden restrictions or legal changes. Imagine a U.S. economy where crypto startups are encouraged rather than restrained, a space where innovators can bring their ideas to life and where crypto projects can thrive. In this environment, crypto businesses would have clear rules, better protections, and fewer restrictions, fostering a climate of growth and collaboration.
And with low energy costs, America will become the world's undisputed Bitcoin mining powerhouse. You'll be a Bitcoin mining powerhouse. You will not have to move your family to China.
Another key component of regulatory reform under Trump could involve clarity on tax policies surrounding crypto. This could mean simplified tax reporting for investors and fairer treatment of crypto gains, making it easier for individuals and institutions alike to engage with crypto. For businesses, this could bring a boost of confidence, knowing that their tax obligations are clear and stable. Following Trump's election victory, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies surged in value, with Bitcoin hitting new highs. This reaction underscores the market's optimism about Trump's pro-crypto stance. It's clear that a president who supports crypto isn't just good news for policy, it's also a signal to investors that crypto is here to stay. Under Trump, we can expect an environment that fosters greater confidence among institutional and retail investors alike. This boost in investor confidence could translate to increased market activity and broader adoption. By encouraging participation from both small investors and large financial institutions, Trump's pro-crypto stance could help stabilize and grow the market. Greater confidence can attract new investments, push innovation, and reduce some of the volatility that's often associated with cryptocurrencies. For the everyday investor, this opens doors to a more mature, reliable, and sustainable market. As crypto becomes more mainstream, market stability is likely to improve. For the everyday investor, This means new opportunities to explore digital assets without the extreme ups and downs typically associated with crypto. With policies favoring growth and security, we might see more Americans feeling comfortable investing in crypto, viewing it not just as a risky asset, but as a viable addition to their financial portfolios. But Trump's impact on the crypto industry may go even deeper. His administration is likely to encourage blockchain technology across a range of industries, not just for cryptocurrency. Blockchain has applications that go far beyond Bitcoin. It's a foundational technology with the potential to revolutionize sectors like supply chain management, healthcare, data security, and finance. Trump's pro-business approach could create an environment where blockchain companies have the support and freedom they need to innovate and expand. Imagine a world where supply chains become fully transparent, where patient records are securely stored and transferred across medical institutions, and where government transactions are tracked and recorded on a blockchain ledger for increased accountability. A supportive environment for blockchain technology would put the U.S. at the forefront of tech innovation, leading the way in cutting-edge applications that could benefit both businesses and consumers. This emphasis on blockchain can also strengthen the U.S. economy in terms of global competitiveness. As more countries look to integrate blockchain and digital assets, having a supportive framework in place could position the U.S. as a leader in blockchain development and adoption. This would not only boost economic growth domestically, but also secure a leadership role for America in the future of global digital finance.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen.
While Trump's pro-crypto stance is exciting, there are still challenges to consider. Implementing crypto-friendly policies will take time and political willpower. Policy changes aren't immediate, and as crypto enthusiasts know, there's often a long path from promises to practice. Investors should remain aware that the regulatory process can be complex, especially when it involves Congress and other regulatory bodies. And of course, crypto's inherent volatility is always a factor. Even with strong support from the government, digital assets remain unpredictable, and price fluctuations can be extreme. While Trump's leadership might stabilize some aspects of the market, investors should stay informed, diversify their portfolios, and always practice caution. As with any financial opportunity, an understanding of the risks is essential for long-term success. An important takeaway is that while crypto's future looks promising under Trump, investors should view it with a balanced perspective. For those willing to navigate the volatility, there could be substantial opportunities. For others, understanding the risks is key to making informed decisions. Trump's pro-crypto stance also has the potential to strengthen the U.S. economy and bolster America's position on the global stage. With crypto businesses encouraged to operate domestically, we could see an economic boost through job creation, technological advancement, and new financial opportunities. Moreover, as other countries adopt digital currencies, the U.S. could lead the way in setting global standards for crypto and blockchain, encouraging international cooperation. If the U.S. establishes itself as a global crypto leader, it could drive other countries to align with American standards on crypto and blockchain, creating a unified approach to digital finance. In a world that's increasingly digital, America's influence in cryptocurrency could help shape the future of financial systems worldwide.
We're so different from anybody else in terms of a campaign. First of all, we understand it. They don't understand it. They are blocking your path. They're blocking your way. But I've made it a lot easier for you because the SEC has been very, very tough on you. And now they see that you've embraced me. All of a sudden, people that were under investigation, they're being let go. They're saying, oh, no, we don't want to do that. We love crypto.
As we've seen today, Trump's presidency could be a major turning point for cryptocurrency in the U.S. With his promises to reduce regulation, boost blockchain innovation and support investor confidence, his pro-crypto stance has the potential to reshape the industry. But as always, it's important to weigh the potential risks and approach this market with a long-term perspective. What do you think? Will Trump's presidency be a win for crypto? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on crypto, finance, and the future of digital markets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
The first American president ever to address a Bitcoin event